Welcome to InfotubeUSA, where we bring you the latest and most important discussions in technology and education. Today, we are tackling the growing controversy surrounding ChatGPT, the powerful artificial intelligence tool developed by OpenAI. With the ability to generate human-like text on demand, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize education and other industries. However, recent actions by the New York City Department of Education to block the website on school devices and networks have brought to light the ethical and practical concerns surrounding using this technology in the classroom. The potential for cheating is one of the main concerns that schools and universities have regarding ChatGPT. With the ability to easily generate persuasive essays and term papers, students could pass off someone else's work as their own, potentially leading to a decrease in the quality of education and a devaluation of academic degrees. While ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize education, it's important to use this technology responsibly and ethically. The creators of ChatGPT themselves have acknowledged that the tool is still in its infancy and that there is much work to be done in terms of robustness and truthfulness. Teachers and educators are also grappling with the implications of ChatGPT. With the ability to quickly generate written work, it becomes more difficult to detect plagiarism and cheating. This raises important questions about the future of assessment and evaluation in the classroom. The consequences for students caught using ChatGPT or other automated writing tools for school papers can be severe. From failing the assignment to suspension or expulsion, it's important for students to understand that cheating is not tolerated. As schools and universities navigate the use of AI in the classroom, it's important that we consider not just the potential benefits but also the potential negative impacts. We must ensure that any policies we implement prioritize student learning and academic integrity, while also taking into account the broader societal implications of this technology. While ChatGPT is still in its infancy, it's important that we consider the ethical and practical implications of using this technology. As researchers continue to develop and improve these tools, it's essential that we work together to ensure that they are used responsibly and ethically. The use of ChatGPT and other AI technologies in education continues to evolve. It's important that we continue to have open and honest conversations about the potential benefits and risks. By working together, we can ensure that these tools are used in ways that truly enhance student learning and academic integrity. Thank you for watching InfotubeUSA. As we continue to explore the potential of ChatGPT and other AI technologies, we'll be sure to bring you the most important and relevant information. Stay tuned for more updates on this rapidly developing topic. Please like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to our channel. Thank you again.